Welcome to Smart Learning Suite Online, where it's easy to turn your learning content into interactive lessons that engage your students on a whole new level. Magically deliver lessons to student devices, whether they're learning in class, remotely, or on their own time. Start with your favorite content, including PDFs, PowerPoint files, Google Slides, YouTube videos, or a blank lesson. Then bring it to life by adding images, text, and embedded video. Enhance with customizable game-based activities, ready-made content, and more. You can even record instructional audio right in your web browser that students can play back as many times as they like for guidance and support anywhere, anytime. Students connect to your lesson in a web browser on any device, either in person or remotely with web conferencing. Guide them through your lesson, or let students explore at their own pace and easily change delivery modes at any time with the push of a button. Students work on their own copy of the activities, while you observe and give feedback in real time using that activity's dashboard. Outside of class, students can continue their work on their own time with your audio instruction to guide them. For more insight to learning, you can add live polls, formative assessments, and game-based quizzes. Connect students and spark collaboration even at a distance with whole class or small group collaborative activities with a shared canvas. Students work together to contribute text, images, ink, web links, and more simultaneously in class and remotely. You can easily view which students added and edited items and add your feedback in real time. After the project is finished, you and your students can review it later with all the day's great learning captured. Smart Learning Suite Online works with the classroom tools you already use daily for less context switching and tech headaches, making it easier for everyone to learn and use. Save time, foster strong connections, and support your students everywhere. Make learning more meaningful with Smart Learning Suite Online. Try it out for free at suite.smarttech.com.